Kovela mishing tamzok hian music an ngai thla ma se van duai thlak takin heng zinga mi tlem te chau hian a hlathu om ziale ngai thla tu te a ngong na sata kan hi an hre thiamani hlalang sar le lar music chart ta kan mu thin te hian om zia poimo tak tak kan neya heng hlathu zinga atam zoka hi chuan setana biak na lam hoite mi pat mei chiat na le tharau khovel lam thil te a in zep te la heng te hi mi tam zok hi chuan kan hriat thiam lo awangin kan en liam mai mai thina ni.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain.
Timrace Industry Viva ko naizol in office hotel door biakin le hall chung moi takin an siam theya wiring kitchen cabinet partition le chuat pha te po an siam sak thei che ceiling a man tur le green ply ate company ne na in thlun zom ania in chung cheidang lami ngai tuani chuan Timrace Industry hi ngai tua chuakang che aizol chunga free delivery an ti theya ahmuna dor dutan parking a harsat naam lo.
Timrace Industry Vivacon Aizol contact 9862 211 533 9366 332 020.
Close to the sun.
Music industry a thilin thup chungchang le milar tam takte ril rulam natna damdoi man sual le thi thut thut na chungchang a hian ti ti tam hle ani he documentary a kan mu le hriat te hian atam zok chu abar khai mai thei khonga in ril ruzaw tak puchungin lo thlir la I oi kher rangai lo ma se I en chu ma chu lo nial kal lo photang che thumal le ming then khat te hi la thua an mangna sa hle a achang chuan heng thumal le ming te hi la thua aruk te a je te la thup an ni thin ani lo vek pon a la thluk enge molaya te an sep del thin ani la then khat lo en hoila I lo mu mai lo tur chu la thu kal phung inang ani heng la thu te hi karon sil fiale zelang.
With more ass than delicious, that's my flavor of love. We make it rain like Rain Man when he play with the glove.
Amateur pole dancing, come and get this cash from me. They call me Rain Man. She try to rain dance, money so long. Competition faggot, there ain't none.
Speak of the devil, it's attack of the Rain Man. Chainsaw in hand, blood stain on my apron.
Khang kan enta ka tang te khan thil langsar tak mai pakhat omani zai thiam te hian lathumal entirnan Rainman umbrella Illuminati le New World Order ti te hi an manguar hlea ala lar tel tel don ni na langani heng te hi tam tak zinga tlem te lor khom an nia a then te hi chu kan ngai thlak satli atang te le a hla thu han bel chian mai atang te in chin chian na le me bel thei tur thil a hriat thei bok la thu chau hi heng chin china keng tel an ni lawa music video ate po hian heng in thurwal taka hla thu mang thin ho hian an da derani chunga an man langsar tak pakhat chu Eye of Providence Pathian Midlem pyramid lan dan chi sang sanga duan tele adum le awara killi nei van doina le van nei na chin china te an mangani Rainman chu tunge ni tang le Illuminati an ti hi en chiana mu thei durin a phena alowin septel thina thing buk alo langa a thing taka mu ngal thei lawang deuh hian ngai tuana uluk taka man ani lo chuan chin chiana le thil dang a ko mu na te chuan mual phona akeng tel theya ma se chiale thasiana uluk taka mang tan chuan mu mai thei lo an ni ve thung heng hla thu thalo om zenei taksi te hi music video then khata hian ze del ani na chungin hria chu an ni mai lo nan an tar la na lai sina te hian light rang tak taka phet tirin a sin hi an thlak zung zung thina ni engpo chu ni se a chang chuan heng chin chiana te hi an lang chiangin an fia hle thina ma se heng chin chiana om ziale an ko mutum te hi atam zo khian om zia kan thelawa han en maya om ziale ko mutum te hi kan hriat theilo turin thlit fim an ni ta ani I hriat reng tur chu polin thup te hian an om nge yani tilan tirnan chin chiana te hi in biak ponan an mangtang kai hlea ni ma sela an in thum na chan hi chan tam tak omani heng hla thu thalo om zenei moi taka in thup te hi engtin nge kan mu chuata kang le en tirna pakhat lo enila
But it's raining more than ever. Know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella.
ilo muem
Know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella.
lo en ching ro le khang tui per dan atang khan a taksa le aban chet gol dan te kha liquid formation tui ril chet gol dan nei nen lo chuan a in siam ringot theilo ti alan tira khang tui per vel kha baphomet lu le mang tura dona nia chu mai ni lowin khang tui ril te kha riana chul omna zona train alo chuaka kha thil khan om zia nei ani kan hriat reng tur chu music video te hi boruak zalen lo thunun na thatak noya siam an nia chu wang chuan music video a enge mo thil dang dai tak ilo mu ani chuan ani dan tur reng ani ti chiang takin i hre thei lawang engvain nge illuminati hi thil thup nei mule mai theisia anin siam thin le heng tharau sual inzom khompol member te hian pathian om thu chu an phalova ma se an hnungzui ai chuan setana hnungzui an thlangzo kani illuminati na athil ti te reng reng hi setana ta na ti an nia arong bol hi an tumper chu ani setana thil tum lian tak chu miril ru shwai koya buma atoba mei dira kalpui hi ani setana hian mi hausa le larte mineran chunglam te po a mailawa luciferian philosophy an ringa chu chu adama le evika eden huana man le phuar betla tan nia hria lo na hrui hrula ta chan chuak tu chu setana atanga fin na an don wangani an ti ani he fin na hian pathian anga asiam theini in an ngaya he setana zirtina tiklo taka wang hian he polmi le sa te hian setana mingin an thei do pin pathian chu an chau thina ni he tharau sual zom tu ten an thil ti thin le an thu le hlate zirchian na chuan pathian chu an thei do pin number mangten an chau thina tharau sual ho chin chiana le 911 thlen chan tun tumatan chuan zirchiang man hrilo maila en tirna na man ani thawa 911 thlen chan pali te chu pathian le arong bol tu te chaunan le setana le anung zui tu te ti chaknan ka ba chet na chin chianan stargate timber khovel leilunga chhop chuanan khovel politics thunun nan le new world order ta na ruwa man na nunga tan khovela sumdong lian deuh deuh te thununin media lama po setana biakna atam thayang ber an septela hriat thei mai tur le hriat mai lo tur po in heng illuminati te hian pathian an diriama an deu so ani pathian ma in lulingin mi puite min bum thei ani ti an tar langa setana chin chiana le thumal te hi thedar zel an tumani an rin dan pakhat le achuan pathian in ala do dal lova setanan an kong ala sil sak zel nin an ring tatani new world order chuan khovel mi puite chunga thunei na le en thlak zui reng na akeng tela mita mu theilo ha cheu thei hun alo la om ngei don nia hriat na te po telani khovela hian thimlal setana thunei na hi an chelek der tone mita mu thein an chin chiana te hi muntina omma se an duang diak diakin an muvek theilova ani na taka chuan thil zong zong hi an muvek big lo na chungin pathian chaunan le tiel nan engkim mu theiveka anin ngayani chubaka new world order an ti hian mitam takte hena illuminati chungchang a hril hria a heng milang sar te hian an agenda te hi alo dar zaw zel theinan thei topin man lamekani kumsang ni som pani hi september ni som pakhat kumsang ni pakhat atanga kumsom pakhat na chiania illuminati te hian kumsom pakhat dana in thoina puita kan nei china chu chu kabalistic number chiar dana chuan number som pakhat hi pathian chona angayani Illuminati in nam noi te hian omzenei taka number man tangkai dan thuru khi an thiani ma sang nam fing ma sa te khan heng Stargate ti tele sep chi sang sang man tangkai te mishing pa ngai na chiale thashina kan nei aya sang jok nei theina na in thoya serle sang nei te an lo ching thin to ani heng hria na thuk takan nei te hi chuan thara an hlan chong zela heng Illuminati tel te hian heng thuruk chi sang sang te hi an mania an ubet tlatane an concert ni khuwa stage in thoina kai noi niom tak an kut zai zir te an lan tir thin na chan chu mi in attention an pek lai taka an lan tir hian chakna apena sabik ni nan soya heng te awang hian man ro changkang tak tak mangin energy hi an thunun kwalvel thina a en tu lam te la hian kan lo hre thiam thin si lo pyramid le a anga thil siam te satanic house sign niom taka zai zira in biak satlia ringot te hian ram hoi thil ti theina negative energy kan ti khasu ape chuak lo mai thai tumna tak tak ne na ti angai thina ni he Paul Illuminati tel te hian an symbol sang sang te an mangdon reng rengin tumru takin negative energy an duanga an thunun theinan an mang thina an hlangai thatu ten an lo zom pui ve theinan Rain Man ti te hi awar theyang berin an mang thina ni tumru na le du thlan na tak tak nei hi thil poimo takalo ni
Say Rain Man! Say Rain Man! Say Rain Man! Everybody in the building, put your diamonds up.
Fellow Americans, it is with the utmost pride and sincerity that I present this recording as a living
whether it's next year, 10 years.
Jay, Rain Man is back, so it'll make sunshine. London, where you
an symbol te muntina an thedara wang hian mitam takin an zo thin le an hria chak chu enga tinge he Paul in thup hian he tianga ati engma omjenei tling tak tak si lovin ti hi ani heng zona zo tu te hian heng an symbol ni om tak tak te hi an pom lowa an Paul po hi aom tak tak lo ni dan ngai hil thin ani Hollywood hi Illuminati tan man ro pui le tangkai takania entirnan Angel and Demons ti film akhan Illuminati chu a ming mera man ania Illuminati chu Paul pakhat kumzatam takliam ta om thin yangin alan tirbok symbol man an wara misual in zom khom Paul ten chin chiana an Paul member ten an nei angin Illuminati tel te hian chin chiana an nei veka heng an chin chiana mang hian thil tam takan thunun thein an ti ve theyani ti an lan tir thin bokani engwanga symbol te chu Illuminati te hian thup angreng langsar angreng thosia mang thin nge an ni ti isha thiam to anga chu mai ba ka aom zeril jok chu kan la chui zelang Part 1 akhan zai thiam tena lathumal Rain Man Rainy Day Umbrella Chips le Stacks ti te an man fo thin chu tarlan ani to a Rain Man omzia she thiam tur hian Rain ti omzia chu I han chui chiang don teang le Rain ti shilfina tongkam chi sang sang dictionary.com in atarlan te chu naw na chuan Number 1 Boru ka tui huin siam tui faranga wana tanga lautla Number 2 Rua sur thlipui Number 3 Rua fur khosia Number 4 Boruak in thlak thleng Rua chenga wanga khonwam lo Number 5 Thil rit tak engemo achuk zonga lo tatla thil engpo ni se avar ba chuan Number 1 Thil noi te te chunglama tanga tam tak lautla Number 2 Pe malsom vur tam tham taka tu emo hne na pek Number 3 buaipui tina kap zom charchar kutlak tu emo chunga hleilen na he thumal Rain ti hi tu emo soinan an mangtlang puya hei wang hian Illuminati khovela chuan a om sia hi adang sheta malsom na tam tak chunglama tanga lautla tina ne Rain ti ming hi mi pale me chetan man kopania zai thiam ten an man hian mi pasoinan an mangina langa hemi wang hian Rain Man ti chu mi pa ngor soina bi kanilo pathian ming kan lama mi pa nga kan dang tho hian ko pik takero anei lem lo ani pathian ti chuan a meya pa asoi lo na in kan sa kho le ka buthiang him te chuan mi pa ming ayo a hi ang hi a mangani heng zong zong bel boma Rain omzia lo ni theita chu Sub number 1 tu emo chunglama tanga malsom na vurthin tu Sub number 2 tu emo ruang maya poisa tam tak surtir theitu Sub number 3 tu emo imi du zong tak mi pa emo mechia po pe theitu che Sub number 4 tu emo tilar che a ti hausa theitu che tuna chuan heng Rain Man omzia me bel theitur music video te ilowen ho teng ule
but I do not broadcast. I throw up more cash and change the forecast. Your boyfriend is lame, I make it rain on ya. He never make it rain like Southern California. Where's your umbrella? Now get your raincoat. Baby, I make it flood. Now you gon' need a boat. Gotta give her one of these in the back of the tank truck.
I'm at the Rolex, I just ran out of money. I need to borrow 50,000 cash.
Make it rain.
Come through, baby, we making it rain. E-class on the way too, we got 100 grand with
Make it rain.
triple C's.
Make it
Oh
rain.
yeah, this the remix.
This party in Chicago. She came right up to me, giving me conversation. I said, do you got a man? She said, no, with no hesitation. Well, it must be a music.
Rainman tarlan na symbol lan na tamtak ala oma. Mase tu na tan chuan avaya tilan sena nilawa. Music video tamtak abik takin pop le hip hop genre te hian sin chen khata poisa lo surangin anlan tir thin. Hei hi Rainman tarlan na rem changa tan an mang thin ani. Rainman chu ram huai tharau solani. Ti chuan he tharau sol ngai hi ani zai thiam den Rainman ti an kawa an tharau an shalna thin chu.
I sold my soul to the devil. I know it's a crappy deal. Lisa came with a few toys like a Happy Meal.
You know, what was going on in my life at 15, and that's how I got introduced to the music industry. I swear I wanted to be like the Amy Grant of music. Yeah. But it didn't work out, and so I sold my soul to the devil.
How I came about being a lyricist is weird because I started out technically, like I used to write all the time, you know, before I started going into the Rainman thing, you know.
Why do you still do it? Why are you still out here?
Well, it goes back to the destiny thing. You know, I made a bargain with it, you know, a long time ago, and I'm holding up my end.
What was your bargain?
To get where I am now.
Should I ask who you made the bargain with?
with you know, with the chief commander.
On this earth?
And on this earth, and then in a world we can't see.
Heng zai thiam tlem te hian ram hoi hne na an thlarawan thal tian soi chuak duwa. Zai thiam langsar tak tak ten an thlarau ram hoi hne na an thala. Ti chuan a thenin thatu mangin an puang chuaka. A then ro chuan zeb le thuplem loin an soi chuak mai thin. Eng tiang takin nge an thlarau hi an thal a hriat theilowa. Amai ro chu. Zai thiam chen khat te hi thleman ni dan a hriat theiani. Zai thiam te chu nuaman ti thei dan ber turin ruma an hruai luta. Rui thei thil chi sang sang an du zong an thlan tira. Milar ten dan tur an lo duan lok chu an hmu tir thin. Chumi nuwa mi pa an ni chuan meiche tam tak omna pindana an hruai luta. Chu meiche te jinga an du ber chu an hon tir thin. Heng meiche te hi zai thiam te hriat lo hian na satakin an ril ru thunun an ni. Kan hriat tur chu hei hi a thena zar chawania zai thiam te an tharau hral tura an thlem dana chuan pathian a in setana hi biaka man hla jok ti hi zai thiam te rin tiran tumber thin ani. Mi then khat chuan zai thiam te hi Rainman ne na in zol ni in an ngai bok. Engpo chu ni sela hetiaram huai zol hi a om thei tak tak angem. Mi hring te hi chiale thahriat na nei sa piang kan nia site pakhata vantir kau yang ril ru thiang hlim site le lama setana mi jiang pu he chiale thahriat na hi thil sual kan ti don hian thon thoina oma vantir kau ril ru jok khan tilo turin ati chea I thil ti tum kha suala ni tin a hril thin cheni le lama setana ril ru alo om vetla thina wang khan sual chu inuna somlu alo ni ta thin voi khat an tharau an thal to chuan sual nen khan an in thlun zom thlat to a chumi awang chuan kut zaijira setana symbol siam thin kha an ni reng ani hunaral zela sual nena an in chia piana sat to awang chuan zoite ram huaina kauna te po an feel thei to thin ani an mania setana chu vullen zel alowi ta ka chuan thunun tlatan ni to a thil thalawa in nam hnoi alo ol samsot thin ani he setana o hi an ni ho hi chuan ril rulam hriat na atagin an hремai thei to thin Eminem chuan hemi chungchang hi a hla deja vu a khana soya
Maybe just a nice cold brew. What's a beer? That's the devil in my ear. I've been sober a fucking year, and that fucker still talks to me. He's all I can fucking hear. Well, so come on, we'll watch the game. It's the Cowboys and Buccaneers. And maybe if I just drink half.
ram huai zol to tan ril ru na sataka thunun na hnuaya thil sual ti te chu sualanga chiar an ni to lawa karma system te nen chuan khai khin theipo an ni to lawani JG chuan rainman hian la phu lai ten athunun thina chu mai ni lowin naltak omzenei chuang si lowin arep tir thin ni na soi bokani rainman Eminem hla hian omzebu mal takanei lo mai pa ka a hla top dona hian omze om lowin arep bokani
I forgot my name. My name was not to become what I became with this level of fame. My soul is possessed by this devil. My new name is Rain Man. Yeah. Rain Man. Definitely Dr. Dre. Super dope beat maker. 473,973,463.
Yeah. This right here we call a magic moment. Right now I'm thinking like, you know, where is this going? What does this track say? You know, I look at music like a puzzle, like I try to figure it out, you know, figure out what I'm gonna say on it, figure out the emotion in the track, what it's saying. Then I go through my Rain Man.
Tuna chuan zai thiam tena rainman an tia pianga kan hria thiam tak chu ram huai an soina ani ti kan hre thei do a zai thiam then khat te chuan an phana sa hlea rainman in a ko chu movie pakhat rainman ti 1988 a release kha ani an ti ani hei hi JG interview be chana proof an tuma rainman soi chuakin engemo a soi chun zom satlia le mai mai ani.
You know, so it's like a mumbling effect. In Rain Man, he was always mumbling all these numbers, rattling off these amazing numbers. And he was like, I guess, an idiot savant in the movie Dustin Hoffman. So I guess I'm an idiot savant as well.
JG a hian movie ami kha asoi nge ya a chan chu he movie Rain Man hi aom zia chu ram huai ti na thawani Hollywood a hian tunge ro rela tunge thu nei ishem hei nge hi ani e kha movie Rain Man kha ram huai tin ani ti lan tir tura tuan ani Rain Man movie siam ani na chandang le chu mi puilama tangin zona atam don ti an thelok khiawa zai thiam tena an sak chan chu Rain Man movie kha ani tia mi puian pum theinan Rain Man movie kha an siam ani eng wangin nge zai thiam ten Rain Man chu tinge an zai chan tia an zo huna Rain Man movie awanga he thumal hi an hla a ze del ani ti an soi theinan Rain Man movie kha an duang chuak ta ani a chana chu a harsa a huap zawviau theiani kumsang tam tak chung chu Illuminati hian chiale thriat na mangin ril ru thunun dan an lo vong to a hei hi keima ni atanga lo chuak an lo mang tangkai to le I ril ru su khlek ti danglam thei tu chu ani hemi awang hian an symbol chu muntina an the dara kan mu le hriat na atanga ril ru thunun an tumwang te in an symbol te hi mu nge ngai thei turin an siamin an duang chuak thin ani hemi en tirna pakhat chu Rihanna hla umbrella ti akhana nia he hla hi nulain mipa mangai thulam ni lowin meiche du om le fel tak thin chu Rain Man wangin meiche thalo taka alowin let to ti ani a hlapum pui hi ram huai chungchang soina vekani he Rain Man hi mu theiemo khoi theine mo om nge yani ti hriat na tura proof omem in lo ti mai thei iril ru khan ari ruang aloman fu a hriat anga ya a video tirlama hian alangani Rain Man chu Rihanna hla umbrella music video a hian alang nge ye Ilo muem thu soi ingai thak tur hi Lennon honor umbrella video zir chiang tu thu soi ani
There are several things that immediately stand out about this frame. Something is not quite right here. It is probable that you have already sensed that something strange is going on in this frame. Let us take a closer look. First of all, it appears as if Rihanna is bent over, her head bowed low, her face against the floor. Her legs are parted, her arms upstretched, angled behind her. This frame is dualistic in nature. It tells two stories simultaneously. Look closely at Rihanna's hair. There are only a few strands leaning down towards the ground. How is this possible? If her head is fully bowed, then shouldn't all of her hair be leaning down towards the ground? Shouldn't the hair on the back of her head fold over towards the ground as well? Wouldn't gravity make this so? Secondly, there are anatomical impossibilities present in this frame. The distance between Rihanna's bowed head and shoulders is anatomically disproportionate. Given the relative position of her trapezius muscles and pectoralis major muscles, Rihanna's neck would have to be about 11 inches long in order for her head to reach that low. From this position, her neck would also have to be stretched downward at an anatomically impossible angle. But this is not all. The fact that we can simultaneously see the trapezius muscles and the pectoralis major muscles indicates that this frame has been doctored, changed, or digitally edited. The trapezius muscles and the pectoralis major muscles are posterior and anterior respectively. In other words, they are opposite of each other, one existing at one's back, the other at one's front. So then, how is it possible that we are able to see both so clearly here, unless this picture has been somehow altered? But why would it be altered? What purpose would it serve to alter this picture in such a way? Let's look closely at this area. What is this small horizontal line here? Is it some sort of protruding bone? Is it some sort of spontaneous mutation, the effect of which has formed bone structure only existing on one human being on the planet? If this is bone structure, then why is it not visible on the other side? This is not some protruding bone. This frame has been purposely altered. This small horizontal line is in actuality a right eye. We can therefore add the left eye, eyes, eyebrow ridges, small forehead region, top of head, horns, snout, mouth, miscellaneous bone structure. The head of Rain Man is in plain sight. So why did we not see this in the first place? Well, this frame is extremely brief, which makes it only accessible on a subconscious level. By freezing the frame and taking a more critical look, we can register all of these subliminal elements on a conscious level.
Kha Rain Man tak chu ni lo ma se Rihanna tak sa dan khan jenei takin Rain Man atar lang ani ram huai chi sang mudana zira chi sang adang lam theian ni nasa takin rilru le tharau an thunun theiani kan rilru hian thila ti thei ema thunun ani lo phei chuan midang thil nei chu sak theina le tharum thoa bengcheng engemaw siam thei turang ten thunun na an chelek thei hialani Hollywood a milang sar tak tele zai thiam tam tak te hian he inzol na hi a om tak lo ti hrechuak lo tur hian midang te an tua an hria chuan chan him turin pathian lam an hoi an hlawani chen khat chuan he video siam tu te hian engkin nge an hriat in ti mai theya kan hriat theidan chu research kan beina atangin ani heng sakho pathum Judaism Christianity le Islam atang te hian kan thurin ber chu heng sakho bu Torah le Bible te hi pathian atang lo chuak nge yan dia the Quran po hi mai tel chi ani lawang milar tu emoin atharau a hral khan ram huai thurwal pui alo ni ta a an tharau an hral thin na chan chu setana hi piak tur dik tak le man hla tak nia hriat na an nei tir thin wang ani Quran bung somli pathum chang som thum par ka chuan mi in pathian a hoisana a theikil chuan ani chu sual setana ania athurwal pui alo ni ngal pokani ati ani zai thiam tena an tharau an thal hian ril ruhana an nei mai china an hla te an kilang thin hemi chungchang ti chiang tur hian Eminem hla ilo thlur bing teng le enga tinge zai thiam te hian an music video then khata jingdar thume em an talan kher thin
horrible. Right there's the coroner, waiting for you to turn the corner so he can corner you. You're a
Devil's Night an ti chu ram huai te thil ti theilai berania hei hi atlang puin zanlai pelset zanlai dar som pahni le zingdar thumin kar hi ania Devil's Hour an ti chu heti lai hun chung hi ani hemi awang hian zai thiam chen khat chuan zingdar thum hi an lam chuak fo thin
I woke up freezing. It was exactly 3 a.m. 3 a.m. is the demonic witching hour. It's a way for demons to mock the Holy Trinity. It's an inversion of 3 p.m., the miracle hour, which is traditionally accepted as the hour of Christ's death.
Christian chen khat ten an ngai dana chuan zingdar thum hi ram huai ten tharau thiang hlim an deu so thei hun lai ni nan ringa a chan chu isu kha tlai lam dar thuma athi anga an rina wang le sana in dar thum a ko laya sana ban in cross that ling ang wang ani chu mai ni lowin Christian na hi Illuminati hian mana ta to pol dal tumin alo do dal to thin ani Christian te oi thei dura cross symbol ora an rin na tinghet violan tir te an tum thina hei wang hian sa kho set le sanglam ai ma chuan fashion pop culture in aken tel ang ma to zokani ilo ngai tu anga yem azai thiam chen khat en tir nan JG te ang hian engwang nge cross lem hi aur kher thin Christian ani wangnin iringem Christian chen khat ten zinglam dar thum hian tharau thiang hlim ado anga an nga yang hian chen khat chuan cross thi or wanga sa khomi tar yawa hriat na an nei thin ani min han shilte inu kha tu bawa sutlum ni ta sela inu chu I tuar puile I shereng ani ti lan tir nan tu bawlem thi chu I or reng kherangem a teulo mai a chan chu inu chu rong taka tha ani ti alan tir ta talom tuna chuan engwai nge celebrity te hi cross thi or turati an ni thin I she thiam to mayang kan soi to angin ram huai te chu chi sang sang tam takan oma chung tam tak zinga an hruai tu chu setana ani van tir kau tam tak zinga a hruai tu pa chu Gabriela ani thung ram huai te na zinglam dar thuma thil an ti theina chan chu a thim ber lai ani wangani Quran bungza som pathum chang khata tanga chang thuma chuan pathian ang chunga thimata himna ka zonga zan thim thu nei na laka min chan him thei tu pathian ka bel ati kha an om ngei ti hi a hriat ve theya en tir nan than mual fal rei roi tak mai zanlaya ikal pel chuan chuti huna chuan a hriat theiani I han ngai tuaringot pon nuam noi ti thin kha Eminem la TM a khan a background pumpuya hlacham lo om kha I han en lok teang
aya 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 aya
lar turte hausa viau turte le nuam sataka om tur chuan enge motak iti ve nga yalom New World Order agente I pui ve lo chuan I lar na le I hlotlin na chuan rei adai thei tak tak lo ani zai thiama hian anti Illuminati an om ve thawa an tharau an lo shal awang te khan an in chir ngoi ngoya an hla thuwa te mi bat mei chien na te satel ve thin thoma se Hollywood milang sar le a changsak zok te chuan zai thiam te chu an hla sak tur te an shila hla phua tura an ti bik te hne na hla phua dan tur te shilin a thu pui tur te an pe bok thin ani zai thiam chen khat te chuan an in o ta na chu du lovin tal chu tumin an beina sa ve hle thin ti chuan le thok le khata rui thei thil le silai kol awang te in man an ni le mai thin ani heng zai thiam tal chu tum te hian mi pui te chu shil shia warning pe kan han tum che hian an mol phota chuta an la ban san lo chuan tha an ni mai thin ani tupak chu pong sual tua pu ania Michael Jackson po no pang khuai khem wanga man ani hemi te hian an ti sual ani di proof na om lo ma se ti sual ang chi a chi tan nia tupak phei chu man ani nge nge ani
evidence that I ever sodomized her, even though you put that all over the paper. And every time they take a quote out of this courtroom, they take a quote from out of her mouth, which is, you know, the stuff to put me in jail. It's nothing that's been true. I just want print the facts so everybody can sort it out. My life is ruined because nobody has a chance to get the facts.
That there was no semen found.
No semen found, no forcible entry, no entry into the anal, no nothing, none of that. You know,
no fingerprints on the gun.
No fingerprints on the guns. You know what I'm saying?
What is your response to the allegations that were brought by the district attorney in Santa Barbara that you molested this boy?
Totally false. Before I would hurt a child, I would slit my wrists. I would never hurt a child. This is totally false. I was outraged. I could never do something like that.
This is all about my image. This has nothing to do with me. This is all about my image. It's like MTV, all the papers, they building me up. Now they destroying me on the same image that they perpetuated.
DMX sungchanga thil dang lam tu naya ilo shem anti Illuminati lam hoi hla sa alo sa khomi ta boka pichuan pathian beturin mi puite asomani mithar tak tak alo ni to a tun ma ani na te kalsanin nun thar neya Hollywood a changsang le alar then khat te chuan ti chiat an tu hialani ram sa chunga nun ron na awang le rui thei thila in nam noya pu ani awangin kumsang ni pakua DMX chu man ania hey hi jail ta na ya I interview ani
opportunity to be heard, you know, in a positive light. Yeah. Well, just in a fair light. All right, I first came to Arizona, man, and I remember one day coming from the studio at 6 o'clock in the morning and pulling over on the highway. We like 4 cars, you know, just to watch the sunrise. And it was at that point that I fell in love with Arizona. I said, you know what, this has to be God's country, you know, because I'd never seen anything as beautiful as that sunrise. Then I met the devil in God's country. You know, and it's not so much who, it's what, you know, what happens and the things that the devil does. It's not so much a person, even though he acts through people. You know, you can't call one person the devil.
Joe Arpaio?
You know, you can't call any one person the devil. You can't do that because no one person has enough power to be the devil. You know, and you know, it's through all these hardships that I realized that, you know what? This is God's country because I met the devil here. Because if I hadn't met the devil here, I wouldn't realize I was strong enough to overcome the obstacles that the devil would place in my path. And it's by overcoming these obstacles that I realized that this is God's country. Because He helped me get over these obstacles. He helped me get over these hurdles.
Okay, so but when you're done here, when you're out of here,
I'm not looking back.
You're not coming back?
No, I'm not coming back. I'm not coming back for a show. I'm not coming back for a visit. I'm not even driving through the states. If I'm in a plane and they gotta fly over it, I'm gonna go around, okay? You deserve the same grace. You know, whether I know you or not, I pray for my friends, family, loved ones, and as well as my enemies every night, you know, because we're all God's children. We're all God's children and we all deserve the same grace.
I think people are curious how a guy, you've sold how many records?
28 million.
And made millions and millions of dollars.
Yeah.
How do you end up in here?
I think everyone who's watching knows how I ended up in here.
I don't know if they do.
I'm pretty sure they do. Anytime you get it, I'm pretty sure they do. You know, there's how do I end up in here?
Why you keep going back to Miami?
Yeah. Well, I have a fiance in Miami, and I have have a baby, 3 months. Yep, I miss all my kids, man. Miss my kids. That's the hardest part about this. I miss my kids. But
do they come and see you?
No, they're in school and stuff like that. You know, my baby will be here in a couple of days, though. My baby will be here in a couple of days. My baby will be here. Don't judge me. Well, you shouldn't judge anyone. But don't have an assumption on who I am until you've met me.
DMX chu Mars Nikua kumsang ni som khan kokain wanga man ani DMX chuan kum enge moliam ta tang khan ei ruk na atawa hei hi a hla te interview anei na le mi pui ma ain lana piangin asoi chuak thin DMX chu mithar pathian bia sual kalsan tu alo ti thin te kalsan to tu ania sual laka tangin nasa takin tal chu atum thin ani
I appreciate it. What I'm gonna speak on is the thing that's on my mind the most. You know what I'm saying? The thing that we all gotta deal with every day but don't really know. The industry. The industry. Man, it's not the same. Doesn't have to do with talent. It's about playing the game. The industry. Real niggas is dying to get in. The industry. Justifying they don't fit in. The industry ain't what it used to be. The industry is trying to control the way you MC. They want you to dress like this and talk like that. But I'm going to dress like this and talk with the bat. The industry got your word meaning nothing. The industry, fuck what you heard because he's bluffing. The industry, money, bitches, hate, but I dare you to try to take a fucking thing off my plate. The industry like, wait, but in the streets we like, get 'em. 17 up in that thing, catch him sleeping and hit him. The industry, if you ain't got a strong mind, the industry will break you down, it's a matter of time. The industry, vultures with nothing to feast on. See me, I'm getting my beast on. The industry, stay in the dirt, play in the dirt, test the wrong one in the industry and you will get hurt. I'm not an industry artist, I'm an artist in the industry. So I do what the fuck I want because nobody can finish me. The industry, wanted, dead or alive, new artists to sell their souls in the way they survive. The industry don't give a fuck about you, but the industry couldn't make a dime without you. The industry, I'm sick of this industry shit. The industry playing them like a industry bitch. They tried to finish me quick, but I am long, so I stand strong. Fuck a beat. Listen to the words in the damn song. I only know how to speak the truth. You know what I'm saying? So I got a little short joint I'm gonna hit you with. You know what I'm saying? And it basically reflects on my relationship with the industry. This is what it is. Often my words fall on deaf ears. Motherfuckers be listening but don't hear. Talking to a nigga, he be sitting right here. I be like, where you going? Nigga be like, yeah.
Illuminati te hian azai thiam te manrua mangin tharum thona lamle thil sual tin reng an thedar thina ni no pangle tleirol zok te rilru ei chezongin an che thiam hlea nun hi poisa larna le mipat mei chiena tel lo chuan afam kimlo ti hi atam thayang bera hria tiran tum thina ni tun laia thalar te chuan heng thu cha thalo tak tak te hi akeng tel zel to ani ma se DMX hi chu ani ve mi lo thung.
Cats love you like their your music influences them. They get through their lives listening to your music.
Exactly. So many people come to me and say, yo, you know, this one song got me through this rough time, or you know, remember that family was, you know, listen to a certain song when he died, and every time they hear that song, it reminds them. It's like, yo, I touch people. All that, you know, pull your titties out, shake your ass, and drive a car with big rims. That's some ignorant yo.
Now you got issues with the industry. What's going down with the industry, dog?
The industry is full of a bunch of dick sucking, dick riding, bending over the desk ass niggas, straight up like that. Whoever don't like it, bring it, nigga. Bring it. I don't give a fuck. Bring it. Bring it. I'm not. You're not gonna see me at every party, every industry party, all the clubs. I go somewhere quiet, man. Shoot pool with me and my mans and them. You know what I'm saying? That's the type of shit that's the type of shit I do. You know what I'm saying? Fuck my remote control cars, jump on the 4-wheelers. You know what I mean? I ain't with all that in the club shit, throwing it up and all that bullshit. I ain't got time for that shit, man. I mean, cause then you find yourself doing the same shit every fucking day. What are you, a fucking alcoholic? You know what I mean? Come on, man. Give it a fucking break, man. Live a little. You know what I mean? I play with my kids, man. I play with my toys, I play with my dogs, man. You know what I'm saying? We go somewhere, shoot pool. We do what the fuck we do.
DMX chuan mi puitea nung chang thazok te a music le a interview kal tlangin a pholang deuh dewa hemi awang hian Illuminati te tan chuan a hlo om to hle ani chung te awang chuan ti mual pho an tuma Tupac le Michael Jackson an ti mual pho ang che khan ti ve an tumani presin DMX man chung chang an tarlan dan kha ilo muem adin mun chiat lai tak thala kan tar langa hei hi an man kherna chan chu article le a chanchin thalo te ti fi atu atan an mangani tuna chuan Mars Nikoa DMX an man live video ilo thlir te ang
Now the person allowed to be there?
Vista de comparecencia inicial. Señoras y señores, esta es la vista de comparecencia inicial del condado de Maricopa. El propósito de esta vista es explicarles las acusaciones en su contra de...
Nobody knows. Just walk in the door. It's crazy. Nobody knows how they got here. Ridiculous, man. They were in the garage, around the corner.
DMX chuan police officer hena chuan enga tinge press ho hi court an local ve kherti in azota police officer chuan achan a hriat lo thuin alo chang ani chuta DMX chuan tu man an local hun le achan an hrelowa thlate an lo la chamchi boxia avan mak ngai ve atini
all right.
Take your seats, please. Okay, sir, you've got 4 separate probation violation matters that are before the court this evening. The first is a probation for theft, which is a Class 3 felony. The second is probation for possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, and animal cruelty, which is a misdemeanor offense. The next is a probation violation matter in regard to an attempted aggravated assault charge, Class 6 felony. And the last is a probation matter involving possession of marijuana, which is also a Class 6 felony.
See the bad treatment going on. Only one in here. The only one got arrested today. Stuff to do it every time, man. Every time, man. Every time they do it to me. They gotta be quiet about it. I get my rights violated, but I gotta be quiet about it. Let's go. Let's go. Now, let's go. It's a fucking bitch, man.
Illuminati te hian DMX hi mai chana an warning emo in lo ti mai thaya mase an warning lo hetia thu boy an siam sakhi an warning ti lan tirna nia tha an tum ti en tirna ni.
Is there anything else you'd like to say to people who are watching this tonight?
Pray for me, so I pray for you. Don't believe everything you hear. Don't believe everything you read. And only believe half of what you see. God bless you.
Illuminati ami te hian milaran tha ma hian antimol phau te te a tupak le Michael Jackson chunga antiang khan an man ro pakhat press mangin mi puite an ne a anti sual te tilangin ti chuan an thi don haya an mol phau na te ne na in kai noi thei turanga lang turin an nun na an lak sak ta thina accident emo mani in tilum ni oma lang thei turin an song bol ta thina ni DMX an asoi pakhat thini chungchanga ti te kha ilo thlir teng le an thi ni te hi ai nang hom hle a kan en chozel don nia zai thiam engemaw zat chu ni som ni pangana ni a hian an borala a then khati lo thlir lokang u heng an thi ni te hi alo thleng ve hrim hrim nge ni anga thlakhatani somni pangana nia zai thiam te thattur hian tual thattu roi ani zo mi then khat chuan milar zongjong te hi hemi ni a kher hian an boral hleinem tin an nial theyang chu alo dik po ani mana ma se number le an tangkai na te Illuminati ta na apoimo zia ishiat chuan engemo thil fel lo chu a omin iring ve ngayang le an thil ti tam tak heng false flag attack le anin thoina hun te hi hun bi nei thap thlapati thinani chumi proof tur chuan historia thil thleng lang sarte ilo thlirang u World Trade Center be ni September ni som pakhat kumsang ni pakhat kha ila hria em numerology number jirchian na chuan digit pakhat chau hi abel thayani number som pakhat hi ila mungun tel telang September ni som pakhat chu kum khata ni za ni som nga palina ni September ni som pakhat nuwa kum khat lin nan ni za som pakhat alom building pani de khan chong za som ve ve an nei building pani khan tukver sing hi sang khat zariya dan nei in chong chu ma saber tu thlo na kha flight 11 ani Flight 11 khan crew member som pakhata nei in chong an sut masak ber kha dar som le minute som ni pariata achim World Trade Center kha kum sang khazakwa som ruk paruk le kum sang khazakwa som sari pasari chung kum som pakhat chunga sakani Manhattan Island hi September ni som pakhat sang khat zaruk pakwa Henry Hudson an amuchoka Henry Hudson minga hian thumal som pakhat chi chi omani Entirna dang po alatama ma se hei hian thil thleng vereng chu ani loti a shil fiang che tikhan Illuminati te ta na numerology chuan omzia anei thuk zia i hrethiam toang number som pakhat hi number som ni pahni le number som ni pathum ten thil an ti theiang tho hi ani number som pakhat chuan ngai ru na keng tela number som ni pahni ne na ain bel khom khan thil ti ne na tangkopa number som thum pathum chuan khovela kai shroya master number anti som pakhat som ni pahni le som thum pathum te hian triangle an representa Illuminati te thil ti theina triangle ata lang bokani tuna ta na kan proof to su Illuminati te chuan number le an omzia te hi an mangtang kai hle ti hi ani zai thiam te chu ruam man na fel tak noya ni som ni pangana chuan tha an niangem Michael Jackson Farrah Fawcett le Sky Saxon te hi June ni som ni panga kumsang ni pakua an thi ani Illuminati te hian milar te nun na an ti dop sak don reng rengin mi pathum an that thina midang pahni de su larlu tuk lo an nia milar tak thina kha a hlia khu nan midang an that tel thina ni la to ya Jackson thu soi lo ngai thang le
Where were you at the time when you heard the sad news?
Well, actually my father called me. I was at home, and I had just hung up the phone with my business partner, and he had just told me about Farrah, and I said, "Oh my, geez, I wonder who's next because it always happens in threes."
Ingai thale teang
I wonder who's next because it always happens in threes.
Patni le panga bel chu pasari ania kumsang ni pakua June ni som ni panga khan bilar pathuman thia heng number te hi kan zia chuan 7 try chukani 7 try chu 11 ratio 11 thil makan muang deu kha nia number som pakhat hi September ni som pakhata World Trade Center be nia thil poi mo tak pakhata ni London an bom chum kha thengil lola nisari thlasari na kumsang ni panga chu pani plus bl panga equal to 7 ti chuan chung jong bel khom chu 7 try ania khamini khan mun saria bom apuak bokani Entirna tam tak om theyang Michael Jackson thi na kha rin hel ro lowin setana hena in hlan na ani nge yang le engwangin nge Illuminati te hian Michael Jackson hi noksak an TMM achan chu Michael Jackson hi an mani laka tang khan atal chu thei wangani kumsang kha sakwa somgwa a record black or white music a khan thu om zenei biru taksi Illuminati te hena asoiti hriat thei sin a zep telani Music video top lam minute li kha mi pat me chet na lam hoile chi le chi in thliana lam alana wangin pai ani sex kai noi lam lan na music video atam telul nen kha Michael Jackson na hla a thu cha then khatte thup na na chuan lam mai nin anangani ilo enang ule a music video top lama Michael Jackson chu keite duma achang le ani keite dum chuan chakna thilti theina le shi omna laka tanga zalen na en tira atur nuwa apian nun le na po en tira ni he video siamani atanga kumthum nuwa chuan.
In the last few weeks, a large amount of ugly, malicious information has been released into the media about me. Apparently, this information was leaked through transcripts in a grand jury proceeding, where neither my lawyers nor I ever appeared. The information is disgusting and false. See this arm? This is as far as I can reach it. Same with this side over here.
Because of what happened at the police station?
Yeah, at the police station. And what they did to, if you saw what they did to my arms.
Illuminati hian kumsom pasari chung Michael Jackson hi timol phawan tuma ma se voin ni thlengin khovel mun sangsanga afans makadoi chogin alangai sangreng thawani ti sa le thlarawa ti na tam tuma lung nurin tur le ma se ani na a hlok thei tak tak chuang lo an tha chuan khovel abara khai don tian thria ti chuan fing takin numerology mangin anun na an ti top sakta ni van nei thlak takin Michael Jackson hian atharau chu a hral lo ma se atalen ro pui tak chuan sang taka ahlang kaya heti chung hian satanism thedar nan an manglui zel thawani thriller te hi ilo ngai thlak liam angmai kha chu ani lo bidit la le adang dang te po ti che thei tur che hla thu thalo wa keng tel chawani la then khat te hi satanic view ma se ngai thlak liam mai mai chu a poina om san lo Illuminati te hian la thuwa satanic lam hoi zong an lo da tel thin na chan chu an ta na poimo wang le a om ji an man fu to em wang ani Illuminati te hian Michael Jackson chuan talent thata ka neya alo lar chhotel tel don ti hi an rekhiawani Illuminati rin na hi ilo rethiam ve rei roi ani chuan mi hang ho hi mishing chan ve an nga ya vun hang lo zong kha an ngai na ti na po ani chuang lo tu po mai hi an mil lowa mi hang ho phei chu vun ngau te a in an dan hoi nung so kani Africa ram te chu an re thein lemhle na te a hlor hle a Illuminati hian chu ti om ti reng chu an du thu samani Hollywood hian mi pui te thin lunga midum mi pa ho chu an nun rong in an torot le a an me chi te po man in zor ching te kan ni ti ya an ming ti chi thi an tum tlatani
there is to a degree. Like when I connect dots that maybe shouldn't be connected, I don't know. But certain dots, like when I see that they put every black man in the movies in a dress at some point in their career, I be connecting them down like, why all these brothers gotta wear a dress? This happened to me. I'm doing a movie with Martin.
Yeah.
The movie's going good. So I walk in the trailer. I'm like, man, this must be the wrong trailer because there's a dress in here. They come in. The writer comes in. I think he's the writer. He's like, Dave, listen, you got this hilarious scene where Martin's sneaking out of jail. So he disguises you as a prostitute. And he put this dress on. And, what? This prostitute? Nah, I'm not doing that. I don't feel comfortable with that. That should have been in the discussion. What? You don't feel comfortable with it? I mean, it's a hilarious bit. All the greats have done it. And I'm not wearing no dress, man. I'm funnier than a dress. Just give me something funny to say. I don't need to wear no dress to be funny. And finally he's like, and he leaves. And then like the director comes, Dave, it really would be great if you wear the dress. Now the producers comes, come on, David, would be so great. I mean, and then I started thinking about all the comics that I've seen. Man, strong brothers, why they be putting us in these dresses? But the minute it was clear, I was adamant, I'm not wearing a dress. I'm not wearing the dress. All right, fine. Think of something else. That comes back 10 minutes later. The whole new scene. Damn, how did you write the scene so fast?
Illuminati hian vun hang pumi chu pop lalpa ani an du lawa Michael Jackson chu vun var pumi anga mi ten an hriat reng an dua chu tianga ain ti dang lam du nan chuan aril ru an hroi koi saktani damdoi thiam na mangin mi hang ani wanga aril ru dam lo na chu an ma chhon tira heng damdoi na tho awang hian aril ru chu har film lo tura an ngai awang le thunun alo ol samsot an rin wangani.
They were trying to get me to take psychotic medication. I said, I'm not taking this medicine, man, because I know these people be trying to control you. Or maybe discredit. I was afraid.
Michael Jackson chuan kumsang kha zakwa som ko pathuma ha interview na manin sit na hi an chung ko thil thleng thin lin apana soini na soyani
Start to change. Oh boy, sometime after Thriller, or an off-the-wall thriller.
And
Sometime
what did you
around there.
think? I mean,
It's in my family. My father said it's on his side. I can't control it. I don't understand. I mean, it makes me very sad.
Michael chuan athunun zo lo thu le ama ngei po ain hriat thiam lo thu asoya apa chuan amaril ruhim nan ani arin thu le makta ka thleng ve shim shim ani arin thu asoi bok zai thiam ani na angin alar chhozela he thlarau lam thil le a phena thilom te hi a hra chiang chhozel boka kha interview atanga kum khat nuwa they don't care about us ti la a record ani a hla chuan in du le judami ya min siam ula min hek ula in du le adum le avar min tiro u tin la an release ma hian publication lam chuan ala thu te su a ming chiat thla kan tia Michael Jackson chuan heng la thu te hi thil ti sual tua an pu le ku thlak tu rangin ani ka sak ni ti na tang vetla tani chu tiang tak su ani lo mai thei Michael Jackson chuan ama chungchanga thil ti sual ti pu kha ama nge ani ti ala thu in alan tirani
Jew me, sue me, and some people are saying that that is anti-Semitic. It's not anti-Semitic. But when I say Jew me, sue me, everybody do me, kick me, kike me, don't you black or white me, I'm talking about myself as the victim. People still are not, they don't feel they've heard everything about the whiteness of your skin. Is it to be neither black or white, neither to look completely male, to be in the androgynous zone? Where does it come from? I think it creates itself, nature.
Chila Rasia ma khan MTV a Michael Jackson la an chu chong du ngai lo a chan enge niang le a chan chu mi hang ani wang ani Michael ma khu angai puya wangin CBS Records president Walter Lennikov chuan MTV awawa video ka peto ngai lo cheunga mi puite hne na he mi hang tlangwal la te hi in play sak du lo ti hi ka shil bokang ati ani MTV chuan Billie Jean an ti chu saka anua Beat It an ti chu sak le boka avun rong wanga an thlir ran na khachu an phana sa hle ani Michael she thiam lo turin thriller video kha tharau lam thila ta na input saina alo nia avun rong athak ma a alo in thoi long na angrenga an ti alo ni hemi wang po hi aniang a video khan ain thlak dang lam chen ni
Tired. I'm really, really tired of the manipulation. I'm tired of how the press is manipulating everything that's been happening in this situation. They do not tell the truth. They're liars. All the forms of popular music, from jazz to hip hop to bebop to soul, you know, to you talk about the different dances, from the cakewalk to the jitterbug to the Charleston to breakdancing. All these are forms of black dancing. If you go to the bookstore down the corner, you won't see one black person on the cover. The minute it became the all-time best-selling albums in history in the Guinness Book of World Records, overnight they called me a freak. They called me a homosexual. They called me a child molester. They said I tried to bleach my skin. They made everything to turn the public against me. I know my race. I just look in the mirror. I know I'm black. Let's not leave this building and forget what has been said. Put it into your heart. Put it into your subconscious mind. And let's do something about it. We have to. We have to.
You must remember, Michael told me repeatedly that they were going to kill him, that he was going to die.
And who did it?
Chui chien na atanga alan dan chuan Michael a khu phi a thi ma lok khan luk sual na vel ni om takin a pila chu chuan a thi ma khan a tungai ani ti alan tira a thi ma khan anu na chan him nan alo beina sa vel le ti chiang takin alan tira ni
Michael, do you think it's murder?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I said it in the beginning, and I believe it to this day. Absolutely. Absolutely. You must remember, Michael told me repeatedly that they were going to kill him, that he was going to die. And he would say that. And when I heard my mother scream, "He's dead," immediately I said, "Who did it?" I didn't say what for, what of, what happened, who did it. Because he repeatedly said that. And he not only told me, he told my mother as well,
Yeah.
and she mentions it quite often too.
And who did it?
There's quite a few involved. The doctor that you're looking at, the doctor that you see there, was the fall guy. That's what he was. He was the fall guy.
And so there are people in the background
There are people in the
pulling
background.
strings.
Yes, absolutely.
Michael a trial voin ni chu Juni Sombathum sang ni panga khan atopa anule paten athian thata Dick Gregory chu kanturin an bia kantura antina chanchu Michael kha adam lo wangani trial an top mani lok chuan Gregory chuan Michael chu Neverland avatha chuta chuan Michael chuan athian pa chu akwa khongai takin min kal san chu min than tumani atiani Gregory chuan Michael chu adam thalo mel em awang chuan engtik nge choi nun berti na zo thiela tura min thai luman tumani tina changa engtik nge tui nun berti a zo le chuan min than tumani ti na chang le ani Gregory chuan Neverland atanga kem somvela hladam doina Michael chu ashwaya adam doima mo turang te chuan lo pe ya darkar somni pali chung dai tur dam doyan lo pe ni darkar som pani dang engma ein in lo ta se asa halanga anun na chu chan theidin muna adinga ni ti doctor chuan alo shilani hetatang hian Michael chu jun sang ni panga tha tumani ya an tha thla tak khanani Illuminati den number an man tang kai sia chu tarlan ani towa amasa khan an hlo chama Michael merin zong tak a doctor Conrad Murray chu man ruwa an mang tang kai ta ni
Michael was a perfectionist, and I'll still say he is a perfectionist because I think his work will live on forever. He's truly a blessing. He's a blessing from Allah, and the reason why I say this is because he was blessed with so much talent and so much ability, and usually in this world people take that and they don't give back and they don't use that for the right things. Michael took Allah's blessings and he gave back to inspire children, to inspire people. And in this sick world we live in, they tried to bring him down with the very thing that he loved, which is children. And he was the voice for children who were less fortunate. And that's how these false allegations came about and all these things about the false child molestation.
Are you surprised that Conrad Murray is back to his clinic?
I'm very, very unhappy with that. And I'll say this, he just took the life of one of the most wonderful human beings. Not because of his talent and his artistry, but the person he was, to take Allah's blessings and to not get concerned about homes and cars and this and that, but to give back to people and to inspire. That's what hurts. This was all planned. It was part of a conspiracy, part of the American government, the FBI, to do an investigation for 17 years on Michael Jackson. And for what? They found nothing. And they tried and tried and tried to bring him down, to diminish his popularity. He was so powerful and success. I just wish he would have embraced Islam, and I tried very, very hard because I think that would have been his protection.
So was
And I wanted
Michael
that for
Muslim the time he died?
He was studying a lot. His whole protection and his security were all Muslims, and he was ready to make that journey. They just released all these FBI files, and they said they found nothing. So now they release him while he's dead because they want him out of the way. He became so successful. His kindness became a threat.
Why?
He wasn't interested.
Why he
in
was a
politics,
threat?
Because that's the way it is in this world. He's not interested in politics. He's not interested in anything but helping people. That's it. They really thought he was going to jail, but see, Allah is so good because His good and His innocence, the good that He's done all over the world, and the message in the music and the type of person that he was and he still will always be is what freed him. Because they tried, but that goes to show you that Allah is stronger than the judge, is stronger than the allegations, everything that they tried to...
Jermaina chuan Islam chu Michael in humhimna ani thinti na soyani heng milar tharau sual lakata film ta te hi Islama anin de tlang puya Napoleon Dave Chappelle le Loon athen chu Christian anin pe DMX ang te kha.
From bad boys to Muslims, a growing number of rap artists are leaving the bad boy hip-hop lifestyle for a more spiritual one. The Canadian Dawah Association says an increase increasing number of rappers this year embraced Islam or acknowledged they previously embraced Islam. Among the names, Busta Rhymes, Loon, Napoleon, Castro and Raekwon. Well, Amir Junaid Muhaddith, better known by his stage name Loon, is one artist hoping to change the lyrics and message of rap following his own religious conversion. Well, Loon was part of P. Diddy's Bad Boy Records. He accepted Islam in 2008 on a tour in Dubai. He joins me now from Saudi Arabia, where he's just finished performing an Umrah or minor religious pilgrimage. Thanks so much for joining us. You kind of look a little bit different to me today than how we've been seeing you in those pop videos. Is Loon still in there somewhere?
Nah, Loon is working his way out of my system, you know. Just happy to be, you know, accepting Islam and finding the peace of mind that I was always searching for in the music business. And it's very difficult to find this place in my life now, but thanks to Islam, I've been able to, you know, complete my search, and now I'm very much at peace.
I think if the Western world really look at Islam for what it really is and stop trying to put this terrorist word with Muslims and Islam, the world could be a much better place, really, because it's the most pure religion ever.
Michael Jackson kha Islama ain le ma in tha ania fans nam taka nei wang khan Islama in let man se chuan Illuminati tan chuan a hlom hle don ani.
When Michael and I used to sit down and watch television, and we used to see the children in Africa, flies around their mouth. Remember that? They were just dying. And he said there were tears streaming down his face. He said, Mother, one day I'm going to do something about that. My son would never hurt a child. He loved children too much.
Ever since I was born, Daddy has been the best father you could ever imagine. And I just wanted to say I love him so much.
Eminem hian milar dangte ang thawin a tharau chu poisa larna le nomchen na athak lel wangin a shalani atira hedin mun hi a thlengang ti angai tu phaklo kan soito angin milar an tharau hral thin te hian atopa rilulam hrisel lo na beidon na satakan neya mani inti hlum hi lan du thinani Illuminati hian Eminem chu manrua mangin tharum thona le nungchang thalo tak tak thedar tu atan an mangchang kai hlea ama ngei po hian thil thalo takati ti ain shia afan se puina angen hil thin pa lo ni nu phei chuan music industry chu sana nundan phungpa ngai nun adu hlea a thei top chuama se an chua du tat lo ani a hria chu tak chu he game nen hian nget takin an lo in sui som reng to ti hi ani tundin mun a thlen wang hian a hla thu then khata atalen don hi an chiat ina soi hialani Eminem hian kumsang ni panga tang khan damdoya khoi chanani ama chau hi damdoi rui thin ani lova milar dangte pon an rui ve thin thawani media lam chuan thiam chan tir tum niom takin an boilu tukna ata an ha dam ve theina tin an chua adik na lai chu ma se adik ve kherlem lawani milar ten an tharawan thal che hian an mania poisak nei lo na achang lian tel tela hei hian an nuna beidon thak thlengin an mania sual khoi poiti lo na aom tir thinani an lar tel tela tharau khovel lena anin kungkaina po anget ve tel tela an mani lar ngai suala khan an tang ta thinani pressure chu ni tinin an nuna alona tel tela zan mut theilo hi sain langsar tak pakhatani an mani du dan danin anom thei to lova an nun chu phua chop le lem takin nun tak polowin an lo mang ta thinani a thian thaber proof a thani khan Eminem chuan depression anei na sajuala ama ayana sain rui thei thila ain nam noya ama soidan chuan khang hun lai kha anuna beidon na alo thlenna sat lai berani April ni som pakhat sang ni baruka proof a chu alua ka ania Detroit Michigana klapathok Maria chuan proof a chu Kate Bender atha wanga ka phlum ta ni na soyani tunge thiente thina awanga depression neya rui thei thil tivak du nga yang le an thiam lo ani lo beranu hei hi atak ani theilo proof a thina chu ruwa man lokani kumsang ni pali khan Eminem chuan ahla like toy soldier chu alo ti choka a music video a chuan club bona proof a chu ka ania damdoina an shoya athi suita ani Eminem album nungber recovery going through changsa khan proof a chungchang thu a soyani
Whipped out and crossed, they say just flipped out, homie just whipped out and bust. Nah, it ain't like duty to do that. He wouldn't fucking shoot at nobody. He'd fight first, but dwelling on it only makes the night worse. Now I'm popping Vicks, perks, and methadone pills. Yeah, M-type verse, you killed it. Fucking drug dealers hang around me like.
An poimo dana zirin Illuminati hian chiatna thleng tur an ruam han reng rengin media kaltlangin an tarang lok china 9/11 te pok kha a chin chiana turang devin movies lama tarlan aloni to ani hetianga an ti hian chan sang sang aneya soivek sen an nilo a toy zongin an ruam mana teri ruang an lo taran lai lok hian an hlohlin na anem het ni nan sia kan chiale thasiat na an shoi kholo ne ema kan shiat mi lo la hian an lo shoi koi theya chu lo po su chan dang dam tak alo mani proof athina su a ma kum ni kalta khan a symbol an lo siam to a ka research atang chuan he proof athina ro tarlan lok ra hian a phena chan tha takana yani thil thleng ve reng ni lovin ruam man na fel tak noya ti puitlin ani zokani eminamin like toy soldier siam rem ti khan proof athina a pompuina ni angin a soi theya a shelo lo na chungin thu pe tu te du da na thi der tir kha arem tia thilom theichu kha video kha siam ni lo ta se proof a hi athik her lawang hemi wang hian eminem hian a chang chuan proof athina amo phurtu nia in ngai na lian takana ya hei hi a hla careful what you wish for a khan a she theya lar adu wang mai lo siam ani thule tuna chuan anin ngoi ngoi thu a soyani Eminem chuan tha ani ti chiang takin a hria a proof athina khan ama omji engma anei lo thu mei sang ni paku khan a soyani proof atha ani wangte po aniang Eminem chuan mani in ring tok takin Illuminati a an milang sarte chu adau dala album recovery a phei chuan anun chu ama ngein athunun pum hlum ni na soyani he album mi tho 25 to life ti la khan mebel tur oma ati rangai thatu ten an ngai dana chuan andu pui hlui chungchang a soina ni nan ngaya a toplama chiang takin Eminem chuan music industry ne na anin kungkai na ram ni na soya a la then khatte hi ilo en te angle
No more pain, bitch, you took me for granted. Took my heart and ran it straight into the planet. Into the dirt, I can no longer stand it. Now my respect, I demand it. I'ma take control of this relationship, command it. And I'ma be the boss of you now, goddammit. And what I mean is that I will no longer let you control me. So you better hit back. I've done my best to give you nothing less than perfectness. And I know that if I end this, I'll no longer have nothing left. But you keep treating me like a staircase, it's time to fucking step. And I won't be coming back, so don't hold your fucking breath. You know what you've done, no need to go in depth. I told you you'd be sorry if I fucking left. I laugh while you wept. How's it feel now? Yeah, funny ain't it? You neglected me. Did me a favor, all my spirit free, you've said. But a special. Don't think I'm loyal, all I do is rap. How can I moonlight on the side? I have no life outside of that. Don't I give you enough of my time? You don't think so, do you? Jealous when I spend time with the girls. Why I'm married to you still, man, I don't know. But tonight I'm serving you with papers. I'm divorcing you. Go marry someone else and make them famous. And take away their freedom like you did to me. Treat them like you don't need them and they ain't worthy of you. Freedom, the same shit that you made me eat. I'm moving on, forget you. Oh, now I'm special. I ain't feel special when I was with you. All I ever felt was this helplessness, imprisoned by a selfish bitch. Chew me up and spit me out. I felt for this so many times, it's ridiculous. And still I stick with this. I'm sick of this. But in my sickness and addiction, you're addictive as they get. Evil as they come, vindictive as they make them. My friends keep asking me why I can't just walk away from them. I'm addicted to the pain, the stress, the drama. I'm drawn to shit. I guess I'm a mess, cursed and blessed. But this time I ain't changing my mind. I'm climbing out this abyss. You're screaming as I walk out that I'll be missed. But when you spoke of people who meant the most to you, you left me off your list. Fuck you, hip hop. I'm leaving you. My life sentence is served, bitch, and it's just.
Illuminati ya milang sarten an tumber turchu adin mun sang taka changa Eminem nu niam le hi ani media lama athalak lang tam lo turin ma na photanga Facebook le Twitter kaltlanga mithen khatin min sildan chuan Eminem chu alana tur nge magazine album tharwa lang turani line alang lawani Illuminati te dawin ti sin love the way you like lakha engwai nge Eminem hian Rihanna asak puile achan chu afan stam takte album tharngai thadura a hip khom theinan a thei to pa chhoveni midam takin adin mun an hriat chen khan Illuminati ya mirang sarte chu ado dalna sa thei sawanga chumiom sia chu kha phor bena rakata filima nundan thale sel jok thunun na telwa lalar zui zelte akokani milarte hi an vai ni vek lo ma se an talon atanga chua hi an du ve le thin lal pakha thu nei na hnuai omang deu hi an nia thil suala lo ti wang mai khan pong po huat chi an nilawa an mani a thok tu tharau sual om kha kan huat tur jok chu ani Eminem hi afan ste puina nge nin au chuak thina entina thatak chu ahla beautiful introduction kha ani
Lately I've been hard to reach. I've been too long on my own. Everybody has a private world where they can be alone. Are you calling me? Are you trying to get through? Are you reaching out for me? I'm reaching out for you. I'm just so fucking depressed. I just can't.
Eminem album recovery thalakom te hian anun chu glass killi nei te takte omangin alantira chu chu na ko chu tan na ani he GM Renaissance Center building Detroit ami a hnung lo lang hian a entir chu Illuminati mi lang sarte engkim muthe in ngai tele in da sang te ani album thalak hi omjenei taka design ania Eminem nun tar lang thei tura duan ani bok.
It symbolizes like what my life is like right now, you know, because of the fame, but also kind of how I've had to like remove myself from society a little bit, pull back, you know, to I guess conquer my demons, my addiction and that.
My friends can't understand this new me. That's understandable, man. But think how bananas you'd be. You'd be an animal too. If you were trapped in this fame and caged in it like a zoo, and everybody's looking at you, what you want me to do? I'm starting to live like a recluse, and the truth is fame starting to give me an excuse to be at an all-time low. I sit alone in my
he chui chen na le a hlaten atar lan chu thunun na hnuaya anun man adu to lova chuti lai chuan Illuminati mi le sa te target ani to dona ti mul phawan tum char char don ti hi ani zona poimo tak chu enga tinge zai thiam te hian an hlathuwa aram hoi bek na niom tak an tel thin ti hi ani milarten an thlarawan shal hian an mani thisenin contract an sign china thlaraw shal don hian hei chau hi ani lo Melissa Ford pon alo soi kha.
If your ultimate goal is to be famous, then you're gonna do a lot to get there. Like sign your name in blood in a contract with the devil. Like you're gonna end up on a one-way street and it's going nowhere. Like that's just the truth. I've seen so many people like forsake their moral code and their value systems just for a little bit of fame, and it's not worth it at the end of the day. It's really not worth it.
Eminemin a satanic mumang a soichua ram hoine na anin hmuna chu ahla demon inside le my darling ate oma chuda chuan ram hoya bi ani milar tak tak ten hetiang hian an noti to thin Snoop Dogg le DMX tepon bilarten damdoyan ti thina san pakhat chu Illuminati tharau sol ko vela mi le sa te awangin zana an mu tha theilova an nun dan lo danglam talu tukbang tepon rirulam fello na sa takan nei thin wangani hengte awang hian in phor chua chu tharau solin ati boireng na ta chu film an du awangin an hla thuwa ten au chok hil thin ani Eminem la my darling hi enti na chatakani nge yang kan soi to angin he tharau sol o hi beng chuan se theilo ma se rirulam atраin an se thina hengram huai o in ati boireng wang hian rirulam se lo na an nei thina ni I hlanal ti lo tak ni lenga iril ruwa alo lang thinang deu khan an dureng wang ni lovin heram huai o hian ati boireng thina ni an tharawan sal nu hian milem poset thei ang mai an lo ni to a an mani du thanna te chuan omzia nei tlem to hle a mi puima an lan dan thlengin thunun ani to thin Illuminati an mi le sa te hian an duang taka an fan se an thunun theinan zai thiam te chu an thunun tlat to thina nun dan phungpa nga ya tang khan nun dan kong dang lam tak an lo zo ta thina ni ani na lo taka Eminem alan dani lo enteang alan dan dik tak zok chu hei hi ni
Down.
bye bye. Okay, I'm still alive.
So am I too. You can't kill a spirit even if you tried to. You sold your soul to me. Need I remind you? You remember that night you prayed to God you give anything to get a record deal? Well, Dre signed you. This is what you wanted your whole life. Also right? Woo. Look at this house. Look at these cars. They're so nice. Woo. Oh, but you didn't know fame has a price too. That you just now seeing the downside too. Lose your best friend from high school. Your wife too. Ain't even sure if your kids like you. Come off tour, can't even sleep at night without NyQuil. Become a valuematic, start a rehab cycle. But together we can break the cycle.
Hey yo, before I start this song, man, I just wanna thank everybody for being so patient and bearing with me over these last couple of years while I figure this shit out.
Show them talent like you've never seen before. So give your all. I love you all. We're family. Just know that. We're family.
Yeah!
We have to bring love back into the world to remind the world that
Love is important. Love is important. To love each other. We're all one. That's the thing. Take care of the planet. We have 4 years to get it right, or else it's irreversible damage we've done. So we have an important message to give. Okay? It's important, but I thank you for your cooperation so far. Thank you. Big thank you.
Documentary movie This Is It rehearsal an nei kum sang ni pakwat chu malam dai to khan Michael Jackson chuan kum ni chung hun kan la nei chuti lo chuan suit thei ani to lo alo tia hei hian enge a soitum ni ang tin zona asiam hem lea Illuminati ten an ruam man na hi alo shelo ka mi nia kan ria reng tur chu Michael Jackson kha phiaru ka nia a thi nuwa thlek po boina chi sang sang omani enga tinge Jackson a khan kha hun thiam kha a tar lan kher niang le kum sang ni som pani chung sang hian soi ati tam lea tuman enge thleng don ti chu kan hre chi alo ma se tun nai mai ni lo ma na tang to khan kum sang ni som pani kum hian ti ati tam le ani